This obsessed person thinks that you have ruined it for them, but they have ruined it for themselves, trying to come for you, which only led, or is actually only leading to their demise. You see, they kept giving and giving and giving to a situation to destroy you, you know. I'm sure their guides warned them to stop. And I feel like I'm seeing in my mind's eye like someone standing in a hallway and having the opportunity to turn around and walk down a hallway, but they're choosing to walk towards you. And that indicates to me that they had an opportunity to walk away from whatever it is that they were doing to you, but they chose not to. They were so trapped in ego. They had to prove a point. They had to prove that they were better than you to themselves. It was just a lot. And I'm hearing that they got a lot of opportunities, possibly 6 opportunities. This has something to do with the 6th house, could have something to do with work, could have something to do with your routine. So maybe on your way to work, you saw this person. Please take what resonates. But this person wanted to try you. And now they're in this energy. They're in the 5 of Cups. They feel defeated. They feel depleted. And rightly so, because they threw a lot of energy and it took a lot of time and effort to try and destroy you. And they feel, for some of you, that they should have left the situation alone, because they are experiencing a lot of delays. They feel like their life has turned upside down, is what I'm hearing. They feel very sad, angry with themselves, angry with you, even though you didn't ask them to, try and defeat you for whatever reason that was going on in their head. But they feel defeated. They feel like you've beat them. They feel like you've won. You've won, and I don't know what they feel like you've won, but they feel like you have, they feel like you've won. And this 5 of Cups energy is more of a loss, losing to something, to someone else. And they really thought that they could take you on. They were that confident to think that they could take you on. They were very focused on you, and they felt like they had the power, the wit, the charm, to outmaneuver you in some way, because they're threatened by your independence. They're threatened by your magnetism, your power, your swag, your star quality. And this is what they tried to attack. They wanted people to view them in this way. They wanted to be seen as somebody that people should look up to. They wanted to subtract you from a group, club, organization. They wanted you to be ostracized. They wanted people to feel like you were different, you were weird, you were quirky, you don't belong, only to find that people embrace your difference. People like your eccentricities. And it got them very angry, because now it became, how come I'm not viewed as original? How come I'm not viewed as exciting? So on one hand, they tried to outcast you for being the things that, that they despised. And then when they realized that people love this about you, they want to rival you, or they wanted to rival you for these very same things. I should have these things. Oh, I'm going to be more quirkier. Oh, I'm going to be more popular. I'm going to be more funnier. I'm going to be, it was just weird. They feel like you have stolen their friends from them. Maybe you met their friends or something like this, and their friends feel like you are more exciting than they are, more interesting. they feel like someone that they wanted wants you, or you're in a relationship before them and they could be single, and they feel like trying to beat you, trying to rival you was a wrong idea. This could be someone that's in your family for some of you, a jealous sibling or a jealous cousin or aunt or uncle. You caught on to what this person was about and you moved away and you didn't look back. You worked on yourself and you closed out a cycle. Now, this person feels like you have beaten them in regards to working on yourself. Maybe you poured your energy into your career, and some of you are doing extremely well in your career. You've gained a role, a position. You could be doing well online. Some of you could be online. Some of you could have an online shop. Some of you are traveling. You know, some of you are manifesting and your manifestations are coming into fruition. And this person can see how well you are doing. They feel like you reach some type of completion, some type of success, and they feel stuck in life, and they are stuck. They are in the same place that you have left them. For others of you, I feel like this person wanted to get something before you. I'm seeing someone furiously running beside you, looking at you and trying to get something that actually belongs to you. This could be a job opportunity. This could be some type of position. This could be, you know, a home, or there's something they try to get that is not theirs. And now that you've got it, or now that they feel like you are on your way to getting it, they feel like it's your fault that they are stuck. And they may downplay your brilliance and say, oh, it's only because she's pretty. Oh, she manipulated her way to the top, or she flirted. You know, there's something like that. They're trying to downplay your essence and act like you use your sexuality, etc., to get what you wanted. But whatever they feel like you've got, they wanted it too, but they didn't get it. And they were trying to compete with you for this thing. They were trying to bully you. They were trying to isolate you. And they still didn't get it because it wasn't for them. Okay? They feel unbalanced right now. They feel unbalanced because this may have something to do with love. Maybe they were trying to chase someone that didn't want them. And they feel like you gain the popularity, the friends, some type of romance that they wanted. Maybe you're in a relationship and you and your partner really love each other. Maybe they wanted this partner. Maybe they want a relationship like yours. And they just feel isolated right now. I don't really drink when I do my videos, but sorry, I have to drink. There's something about this person forcing themselves to admit that I'm hearing you won, as well as you are different, you are unique, you are special. Everyone is special. Even they are special in their own way. They've got skills and talents that are amazing, but they're acknowledging the fact that you sparkle and you shine and you do stand out. And even though they don't want to admit it to themselves, they are understanding why you got what you got. But they really thought that do you know what I mean? Even though they know this about you, they really believe that they can snatch, they can bully, they can block this thing from you. And a secret has come out. And it is no secret that this person is struggling to overcome the fact that they wasted their energy and their time to move forward with trying to defeat you. Now they feel left out in the cold. Now they feel isolated. Even if they're around people, they still feel lonely. And they feel like it's your fault. They feel like you've literally come in and snatched the life that they wanted. You see, this person was embodying the energy that didn't belong to them. You came into their life and you were the true representation of who they were pretending to be. Whatever it is that you gained was in alignment with you, and they were trying to sabotage you, and they knew on a soul level that it weren't for them, because if they believed that it was for them, they wouldn't have strategized to try and compete with you, gang up on you, possibly get other people to spiritually attack you, right? Try to ostracize you, try to isolate you, try to, invest in your demise in whatever way they thought was best. They done the most. And now their life is crashing down and it's your fault. You didn't tell them to do these things. They wanted you to be on your own, and now they're realizing that you are loved. They wanted you to be single. They tried to keep you single. They wanted you to be outcasted. And seeing you still looking beautiful, seeing that you're still powerful, that they didn't dent your confidence in any way, it makes them feel like they want to run and hide. Seeing that you are determined, and they didn't stop you and they didn't block you. They may have delayed you, but they didn't stop and block you. It's making this person fret. They're getting calmer, guys.